Hi everyone, our solution is BlueTrace, an occupancy tracking and contact tracing system for U of M Blue buses. With the fall semester being in person, we need to ensure that we follow social distancing guidelines whenever we can, including on buses, which poses a very tricky logistical problem. The normal high density of passengers on buses has been found to result in increased transmission rates of COVID-19, meaning there needs to be some system that limits and tracks the number of passengers on a bus so we can effectively maintain social distancing. Additionally, U of M currently does not have a method of contact tracing, so implementing such a solution could mitigate and prevent the spread of COVID-19 on campus next semester. After identifying these two major problems, we sought out opinions from other students to see if they would support such an occupancy tracking or contact tracing system for buses. And in a survey with 88 U of M students, we found about 80% of them would support the system.
Our solution involves the creation of a mobile application called BlueTrace, which would generate a personalized QR code for every user that signs up in the application. This QR code would be scanned onto a QR reader on a blue bus upon entry and exit. This is to make sure that we can keep track of occupancy as well as notify passengers who may have been in close contact with someone else that was on the bus at the same time as them. Going off of this, here's a basic UI wireframe that we developed for what a BlueTrace application may look like. There's a registration page, a login page, and then a QR code, and then there's a self-report for diagnosis. Additionally, with the registration, we were thinking that University of Michigan students could sign up using Google, similar to how the computer science department at the University of Michigan is able to pull student information from signing in via Google. Some key merits of BlueTrace is that it is feasible, inclusive, and sustainable. It is feasible in the sense that it requires relatively few changes to the existing university infrastructure and student and faculty habits. The user just needs to have a mobile device with the BlueTrace application, which has a one-time opt-in and will require minimal maintenance and development. Additionally, they would just have to scan this QR code upon entering and exiting the bus. Our solution is also inclusive as it keeps in mind that the University of Michigan bus system is available to the public. Therefore, it is crucial that we provide an application that is accessible to both university and non-university affiliated personnel. Our solution is also sustainable because according to our estimates, the cost of implementation is just over $20,000 and over 40% of BlueTrace infrastructure can be repurposed after the COVID-19 pandemic.